how to withdraw from BetMGM Sportsbook. If you want to withdraw from BetMGM, first of all, open the BetMGM app, log into your account, tap on your profile icon on the top right of the screen, select the cashier option, and select the withdraw button text. Once you select the withdraw option right there, so you can see this little withdraw option right here, select that. On the next page, you have to add your online bank by clicking on the add payment method option that you can see here. Select online banking as the withdraw method and then enter the amount that you would like to withdraw and then just click on the withdraw option. After that, on the next page, click on the request withdrawal option, and then after a certain amount of time, your money will be deposited to your online banking method. This way, you'll be able to withdraw on BetMGM. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.